Whatever obstacles there are in front of you, you have an asset you can use to go around that obstacle, to go under the obstacle, over the obstacle, or break through the obstacle. I'm here to talk about the launch of my book, Mastering the Game, that covers the 16 winning keys that have enabled Cristiano Ronaldo to succeed. It was a software in his mind that enabled him to succeed. And we are going to launch a book that unravels these 16 winning keys Ronaldo has been applying. There was a method behind the madness, and we now have seen the results. And this book reveals and unravels all of these keys that you can also apply, whether you are a student, whether you are a sports personnel, a business person, in the finance, in entrepreneurship, in teaching, in any area. Even if you are a content creator, a public speaker, this book will bring some fire back into your soul. So we have a chapter on goals, a chapter on teamwork, a chapter on competitions, a chapter on challenges. The chapter on challenges is brilliant because it talks about how to confront and challenge people who are as good as you are or are better than you, and how to win in that challenge. Join me on 7th October 2025 at 12 p.m. on Facebook. The page is Mastering the Game CR7.